Welcome team. If you're an Idle Client Alliance or you are running a business guys and you want to understand the messaging in WhatsApp, and now I'm talking about the automated messages in WhatsApp. This video I'm going to give you a walkthrough step by step. At the end of this video guys, you will have your WhatsApp up and running and your customers will receive messages when you're not on your phone. You will also have the automated messages to greet people that comes to your WhatsApp, and you want to run it like a professional business. It's very simple guys. The first thing you need to do, you can see WA business, need to register your WhatsApp to a business account. This steps doesn't, it's not working in your personal account. Okay. Then the second step, if I just drag it guys, you will see when I clicked it, you will see tools. This means it's the business tools. If you can find that on your phone guys, then it's simple, because this is not something that I'm selling or something that I'm discovering guys. It is already in your WhatsApp. Okay, and that's why it's very simple. But because there was many of you asking me this, I took time out guys and created this video for you guys. So find the tools. It's normally at the bottom. Click tools and then you will get to this page, and this is where all your business tools are guys. If you scroll down, you will see greeting messages, away messages, and quick replies, and that's it. We're going to focus on the away message. What is happening for the away message? You can do the same for greeting and quick replies. It's what it says. Away message is when you off your WhatsApp and someone might need a quote or they need more information from you. This is where this message comes in. Greeting message is when they come to your phone and then there's already an automated message ready for them and they will see that message. Also quick replies guys, where they can literally get quick replies from your business. So if I continue guys, I click away message. You can see there away message, and the first thing you need to do, you need to toggle this on. You can see there's a little toggle button on top next to send away. So it's this little thing here if you follow the cursor. And if you want to change the message, because you need to write the message first and then it will automatically go to all your customers when you are not on your WhatsApp and they are asking something. This message will pop up. So look at what you want to say when you're not on the message guys. I just said hi, it's Nate at Nate Digital. I'm not on my phone right now. You guys can copy that and work it from there. Just click here by the pencil. That's it guys, and then you literally just go and save the message. Okay, so all of these other things are not necessary. So you will just go on top there, save message, and then those automated systems that WhatsApp do have in the app already guys will happen for you guys. I hope this is informative. I hope you guys can go set it up for yourself and get to your customers guys. This is many times where we lose interest and customers. So you have it in your WhatsApp. The only difference is open a business account, follow these steps on in this video, and set it up guys so that it can send people automated replies. Thank you.